Hello students, in today's session of surface area volumes, class 10 maths, very basics on the topic of combination of two solids will be discussed through illustrations. The combination will be of cylinder plus cone, cone, hemisphere, cone, sphere and number of figures, right? Concepts are going to be cleared through illustrations, right? As the topics are going to be very important for CBSE board, ICSE and state board, it is requested go through the session completely. Now let's start with the question and concepts. Question is, discuss different figures with surface areas and volumes. Number of figures are there. Right circle cone, this is the shape, slant height, vertical height and radius. Lateral surface area pi RL. By Pythagoras theorem, we can correlate RL and H. Total surface area pi RL plus R, volume 1 by 3 pi R square. Sphere, total surface area 4 pi R square, 4 by 3 pi R cube. R is the radius. Hemisphere, curved surface area 2 pi R square, 3 pi R square total, 2 by 3 pi R square. Cuboid, twice HL plus B, curved surface area twice LB plus BH plus HL. That is the total surface area and volume is the LBH. Cube 4a square, 6a square, a cube, that is the a is the side. And right circle cylinder 2 pi RH, curved surface 2 pi R plus H, total surface area and pi R square H, volume this. These are the symbols of. And combination of two solids. Combination of solids, any two things can be combined together to form a tower or any other thing, building, etc. etc. Right? Next question. Question is, an empty cone of radius 3 cm, height 12 cm is filled with ice cream such that lower part of the cone, which is 1 by 6 of the volume of the cone, is unfilled. But a hemisphere is formed at the top. Find the volume of the ice cream. Here concept of this is a combination of two shapes. Combination of two shapes. Two figures. Two figures are cone plus hemisphere. Cone plus hemisphere. We have to find the volume. The volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi R square H. The volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi R square H. According to question, this is an inverted. H is 12 centimeter. This is R. R is 3 centimeter. Now say this is unfilled part. This is unfilled part. Unfilled. And this is the filled part. Filled with ice cream. Then unfilled is 1 by 6 part of volume of cone. Filled part will be 1 minus 1 by 6 part of cone. That is 5 by 6 into volume of cone. Volume of cone will be equal to volume of ice cream will be equal to volume of cone 5 by 6 plus volume of hemisphere. In this case, 5 by 6 into 1 by 3 pi R square H plus 2 by 3 pi R cube. Now here R is 3, H is 12. Here R is 3. R is common, so we can take common 1 by 3 pi R square. Now remaining is 5 by 6 H plus 2R. Be very careful to make the calculations simpler and to avoid any mistakes. Numerical values to be put up in the second last step. Last step is the answer. Now substituting values. तो substituting values में क्या होगा 1/3 pi into 3 का square into 5/6 into h12 plus 2 into 3. On simplification ये आ गया. This is pi 3 का square. Pi into 3 का square, that is 3 pi into 2 till 10 plus 6, that is 48 pi centimeter cube. If you put the values, we can get the answer 150.72 centimeter cube. Pi में in terms of ये आंसर है, उसका आंसर ये है. Right? Next question. Question is, if hollow cube of internal is 22 centimeter is filled with spherical marbles of diameter 0.5 centimeter and is assumed that 1/8 space of the cube remains unfilled, then find the number of marbles that cube can accommodate. This is a combination of cube and the spherical shape. The spherical shape. That is the sphere. Now, according to question, 1/8 space of cube remains unfilled. Means 1 minus 1/8, that is 7/8 part of cube filled up with sphere marble. Let n be the number of marbles that can accommodate in the cube. Then 7/8 volume of cube equal to n into volume of marble. That is sphere. That is 7/8 into a cube equal to n into 4/3 pi r cube. According to question, r in this case is 0.5/2. That is 0.25 centimeter. That is 1/4 centimeter. 1/4 centimeter. So n into 4/3 pi into 1/4 into 1/4 into 1/4. That is either A is 22 centimeter. 22. Therefore, 7/8 into 22 to 22 into 22. Right? On simplification, we get 7/8 into 22 into 22 into 22 equal to n into 4/3 into 22/7 into 1/4 into 1/4 into 1/4. This 22 goes. This will 4, 2, 2, 8. Right? This comes out to 7 into 7, 49 into 484 into 7 to the 12 equal to, and this 4 also goes, this 4 also goes. So on simplification, we get n equal to, that comes out to be 142, 296, 142,296. This much numbers of marbles can be accommodated in the cube if 1 by 8 cube remains unfilled, right? Next question. Question is, the interior of a building is in the form of cylinder of diameter 42 feet and 35 feet height, surmounted by a cone whose vertical angle is right angle. We have to find the total surface area and volume of the building, right? It is a case of combination of two figures, that is cylinder plus, and that is cone. Cylinder plus cone. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square, total surface area pi r l plus r, and curved surface area pi r l. Volume of cylinder pi r square h, curved surface area 2 pi r h, total surface area 2 pi r plus h. Now, to find, this is given to you. Height of cylinder 30, this is 90 degree. This is slant height, this is slant height, so this will be 45 degree. 45 degree. In triangle, to find the slant height, to find slant height and height. In triangle, EQC, sin 45, that is 1 by root 2 equal to, QC is 21 feet, perpendicular over hypotenuse, 21 upon L, that is L comes out to 21 root 2 feet. This is one of the answers. To find height, tan 45, that is equal to 1 equal to tan 45. This upon this, 21 upon h. H comes out to 21 feet. Height comes out to 21 feet of this. So total surface area of the figure, total surface area of the building will be equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. That is curved surface of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h, cone pi r l. In this case, r is 21 feet, h is 35 feet. In this case, r is 21 feet and l is, h is pi r l, 21 root 2. Now, before substituting the values, take out the common factor, common things. Pi r taken 21, 2h plus l. 2h plus l, that is pi into r 21 into 2 into 35 plus l. L is 21 root 2. On simplification, always make the habit to put the numerical values after writing the formulas and take the common which are easy to take it common so that chances of mistakes will be very less, right? And time simplification will also be there. On simplification, we get 6580.2 square feet. This is the answer of the total surface area. Total surface area is the part which is visible to the person, right? This is visible, this is visible, this is visible. This answer, right? Now to find the volume. Volume will be simple. 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 4 by 1 by 3 pi r square h plus pi r square h. इसकी r 21 फीट है, h 35 फीट है, r 21 feet. In this case, r is 21 feet and h is also 21 feet. Substitute the values and simplify. We get the answer as 58,212 cubic feet. Whatever the answer may be, you simplify it. That is the answer, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Set His Shift Learns, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.